What a wonderful time it is to be a sneakerhead. I bought two pair of shoes on sale. Two pair of shoes that I more or less don't like, and that I sort of got two for the price of one. So I'm happy with that. Let me explain what I bought. I'm gonna make two videos out of it. So let's see what I'll start with. So these two pair of shoes are on sale everywhere. I've had them in my cart at BSTN for a while and it kicks. And one of the sites had like 2 hour super sale, and that what got up the interest for me of the shoes. But I missed that 2 hour sale, and after that I've sort of been waiting to see them cheap somewhere else. So you can probably see already on the box what shoes are in the box. So on sale, yeah. And on BSTN they were on sale in my correct size, which is US 12.5. But here on Soulbox I paid €107. So more or less 50% off. And the UNC Reimagined I don't like for a couple of reasons. Smell nice. First of all, they don't have the correct UNC blue, I think. And second, I'm really tired of the pre-patina yellow soles. I'm absolutely okay with the whole reimagined thing. I like the ideas with the box, and actually the thing with the box, let me talk about that, because that was one big deal that made me buy the shoes. So the Chicago Lost and Found comes like this. The black Air Jordan 1 box with another lid is something that they found in the store. And these comes mixed matched. So what I'm going to do, not with this pack box, I have another box of them. I like this. As I use them as speaker stands. So my new speaker stands are going to look like this. All right. So the box was also something that made me want to buy the shoes. So now I've explained what I don't like about the shoes. And I collect OG colorways as everybody else. Man, they are soft actually. They are nice. So pre-patina in the material, I don't mind it. I don't mind that the shoes are supposed to look like they are from 1985. It's just that the yellow sole is a bit too much. But please drop the whole series of OG colorways in Reimagined. I would love a pair of breads band in the Reimagined thing. But as a OG colorway, they are not correct. And actually, I've been thinking of getting more shoes from the, what are they now called? To make the replicas, the really good replicas. Developed by Boring Studio, yeah. So I've been thinking of getting a pair of UNC from them instead. But if I only see these as a nice pair of shoes on sale, then I'm happy with it. They smell good, they feel good, they look good. So when I ordered the shoes, I made space with my boxes for them, and as you maybe can see, I have them in chronological order after how they got released in the OG colorway. And with these, I'm not going to put them in the UNC order. I'm just going to put them where I have space left. So I don't see them as OG colorway because they are not. I see them as a nice pair of Air Jordan 1s that look good and are really nice actually with the leather, and has the right OG cut. I could do without the yellow sole, but otherwise I'm happy with it. And I like the thing with the boxes, the whole Reimagined thing, lost and found thing. Nice that they come with 2 laces, but I'm going to use the white laces. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit too much with the blue laces with them. Thick tongue, and yeah. So for a pair of shoes on sale, I'm happy with them. 107 euro, all right. So with shipping, etc. But for the 2 pairs of shoes, I paid 220 euro, I think, and that is what they cost retail in Sweden. So I got a pair of Adidas extra when buying these, more or less. They are nice actually. And since I only use my shoes once, so I'm okay with it. And as I said, BSTN had them in US 12.5. Sole box only had them in US 12. That works. That works. It's not the correct size, but it works. And these soles are crap. I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker. The tongue is a little bit softer than your normal Air Jordan 1 tongue. So what I want to say is, on sale, it's a nice pair of shoes. And they are all on sale everywhere. Kicks with a Z, BSTN, Sneakers and Stuff, Sole Box, they are still available everywhere and in almost all size run. So yeah. Now on to the next pair of shoes. So subscribe, comment, do you have the shoes? What do you think about them? And I see now that it's a little bit extra yellow because I have the windows open. But yeah, they are pretty yellow. Too yellow for my taste. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. That would be nice. Just to show you what I mean when I say that I use the sneaker boxes as speaker stands. So I fill it so it's solid. And here we have the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And this is the Reimagined, the Bread Force. So very unmatching. But still, I like it. And after. Yeah, it's silly. But since I am a sneakerhead, why not use sneaker boxes as speaker stands? And I think this looks better. At least they are both Air Jordan 1 boxes.